Good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is Saturday. I think that this is the last day for me wearing my twist out. Well, the last day that I get a very good result from my twist out. You can tell me. I don't know if I'm going to shampoo my hair today or later on next week. In the next few clips, you will see Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday's results. I've been putting my hair up every day in this. The name of this thing always escapes me. I will put every night. I've been putting my hair up in this lock sock. That's what I'm calling it. I think that's what the proper name is. So this is Saturday. Did my braid out on Tuesday. I have not spritzed my hair once this week after doing the braid out. And I think it's still looking pretty good. And it's feeling fine. I'll be showing you next week what I shampooed my hair with before the braid out. This is my hair on Saturday. The results of each day will follow this clip. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your continued support. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I feel great today and wanted to come before you and let you see the second day of my braid out. Looks kind of crazy. I did what I call a pineapple in the top, and hopefully it has helped to preserve my waves from the braid out. We're going to see right now. This is going to be really quick, so keep watching. I forgot about my little headband that's all stretched out of whack. Oh, look how that fell. How much more do I need to do? Not much more. And I am not going to disturb it too much. I'm going to turn around so you can see where everything is falling. And just because I had it lifted up, it gave me more body. So when it falls down, I'm loving this. I am loving this. This is the second day of my braid out. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy your day. Good morning. Good morning. It is January 21st. It's the day after the inauguration. Oh, yeah, this doesn't look too bad. This don't look, this does not look too bad if I had on another color headband. But it is the day after the inauguration, and I am still wearing my pearls. I just feel good about it. Wanted to say good morning and thank you to my subscribers. And I wanted you to see my third day twist out. If you saw my previous two videos, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Now, I just took off my satin bonnet and headband, and now I just have to put my hair in place. We'll take this over here. And if you remember, on the first day, I did not separate my curls very much. I just separated the braids, the three parts, and then I let it hang. And so this is the third day of my braid out. And I think it's still looking pretty good. Let me take a look at that, see what it looks like in the back. Oh yeah. This is still good. I really like it. I really do. My hair is back out of my face because of the headband that I wore last night. I hope that everyone is doing well and that everyone in your family is doing well. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. He's been so good to me. Have a great day. Good morning again. Good morning. It's another day of the Sisterlock twist out. And I'm just taking this off. I am ready for work with the exception of my hair. Y'all look at this. Just look at that. Can you complain about this? I can't complain. I'm loving this hair. I am loving it. Is this a style or what? Someone asked on a Facebook page, how often do you spritz your hair? And someone said every day because my hair is all over the place. I do not spritz my hair every day. I spritz my hair every now and then. And when I say spritz, I really mean mist. Not a whole lot of water. And today, I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't want it. And I'm not going to do it because this hair is going to be fine. It is fine. Yes. Let me go to class. I'll see you guys later. Enjoy your day.